How to fix Telegram code SMS problem. So if you want to fix your Telegram code SMS problem, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, what you need to do is just simply open up your settings at first. After opening your settings, scroll down, go with apps. Under apps, you need to go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to just search for the application in which you are facing the problem, like for example Telegram in our case, and then go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Once you've cleared your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just simply go back and again open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down, go with Google, and under Google you need to go with all services, which is on the right side, and then scroll down and you will have an option of phone number verification or phone number sharing. You need to just tap on that option. Once you're here, make sure that this option is turned on. After that, go back and then you will find an option of SMS verification. And once you find the SMS verification codes, make sure that the option of SMS verification is also turned on. Once done, you need to go back and open up your Play Store. Go with search, and under search you need to search for Telegram. After searching, if you have any updates on your Telegram, make sure that you've updated. Once you updated, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can just simply go and restart your device. After restarting, tap and hold on to your Telegram. Go with the app info. Under app info, go with notifications, and if you've turned on your notifications, then you will receive the SMS. So make sure that it is turned on. Go back, go with the permissions, and under permissions, you need to allow the permission of message. If you find the permission of messages like photos and videos, you need to allow this, and then phone, and you will also have an option of SMS or messages. You need to turn that option to allow. Once you've allowed, your problem will be fixed. You will receive the notification. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.